Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, June 8th, day 105 on the Appalachian Trail. It's about 6:40 and temperature at in the mid 40s here, and I'm headed out. I camped at the Black Brook last night and got a fairly good night's rest. It rained a lot during the night. That dynamo on those duplexes is so loud when the rain hits it. So you kind of have to get used to that loud raindrops. Headed, I don't know, I'm probably going to get around 20 in today, 21 and a half yesterday. I'm really not sure at this point. If I get soaking wet, I may pull up short of my goal, try to get a good shelter and dry out. I don't know what exactly I'm going to do yet, but it's about 60% chance of rain today, so probably going to get wet. All right, Vermont is beautiful in the woods, I'll say that, but there's not a whole lot of views to show you, not a lot of overlooks and things. So I hiked 21 and a half yesterday, but got very little to show you. But hopefully maybe we'll get some different views. I don't really know what to expect, but it's very wooded, and got a lot of undergrowth and all. I'll show you this here. You can see everything's green. There could be a deer standing out there and I wouldn't see him or her. Pretty much this is the way, ever since I have come into Vermont, this is the way it's been. Saw a lot of moose sign yesterday. Maybe I'll see a moose. He would definitely be standing over all this undergrowth. All right, I'll talk to you later. Stratton Mountain. 39, almost 4,000 feet. And it's starting to rain. That fire tower is open. But it's got a great view. Stratton Pond, 3.2. I think I'm gonna keep pushing. I'm not going up there today. Maybe another day when I come back. This is called the Winhall River. Nice big footbridge across it. This is called Prospect Rock. I think it's gonna be a good view then. And it's quit raining for a second too. Oh wow, look at that. Oh wow, now we get some views. The closest town I know about, I think, is Manchester, so Manchester Center. That must be what that is. Down in there. Look how big those mountains are over there. Ooh, that's a long way above me. I'm not even gonna look at the trail map to see. Wow. Pretty awesome view here off of Prospect Rock. Little side trail to get down here to it. One more time. Clouds on top of that one. Looks like the smoke's letting up today. I don't notice it yesterday going up. It was tough breathing. We left the highway and went straight up for several miles, and it was just muggy. It was, and all day yesterday, we were in the clouds or smoke one. It was just like you couldn't see more than 50 yards. But today it's not like that. And I don't smell the smoke. You could smell it yesterday. All right, talk to you later. Making some twists and turns, crazy roundabouts, girl, all through the mountains up here in Vermont. And I think I've gotten out of the smoke finally. Smoke was about 3 or 4 days long for us hikers. But I think it's still hitting some of those south of us. Few people keep talking about it. It was pretty tough for a couple of days. And I didn't really know what it was at first, and then when it got obvious that it was smoke and you could smell it. All right, I'm about to come to a road crossing up here. I gotta be on my P's and Q's. That is another bad crossing. Whew, it's in the curve, and it's also in a passing lane coming up the mountain. It's a bad spot. I can't believe the ATC doesn't come up with better solutions than that road crossing. That's scary. I ran across it. Oh well, you got to cross them. You got to get north crossing these roads. It might be better to go down into town with the trail and cross and come up the mountain or something. I don't know. Whew. There's another interesting spot. This is metal. Strong span for it. And that's the I-beam turned on its side. Whew. Bromley Brook. Time for me to get some water too. This is the last fill-up opportunity before going where I'm going tonight. I'm gonna go to a warming hut on top of this mountain. And it's way up, but this is the last opportunity. I gotta get down here and get some water. Pretty little creek, brook. Working my way up Bromley Mountain. This is a ski slope here. You can see they make snow. That's one of those poles where they blow water through it, you know, at nighttime so they can make snow. There's another pipe right there. And my hope is to stay in this woman hut, this ski patrol hut. I don't know how big it is, but it has power and heat. And it's fairly early for through hikers. I will have gone 21 and a half when I get there. But I've also passed, since I left this morning from my campsite, about 3 shelters. So we are still way up there too. I see a big hill coming. So it could very well be full when I get there. And the next shelter is like 7 miles. I don't want to do that. This is supposed to be a great view. I'll let you know. Okay, made it to the woman hut, and as I suspected, there are 3 guys already here. Barely wasn't room enough to sleep on the floor, but I got a spot on the floor. That's an awesome view. Wow. Oh my. It's Bromley Mountain where I am. The AT comes right over the top of it. This is looking off the other direction. I can't see the sun. I think this is north. Woo, look at those bad boys. Ooh. And that's the way I gotta go. Ooh. I bet somebody's hollering, that's the whites. I don't know if it is or not, but they are big. I'm on top of Bromley, and those are much higher than where I'm standing. That's a little intimidating. Look at my compass. I don't know what they are, but they're almost due north. Due north was about right there. So I don't know. We'll find out how close I am. I don't know how far that is. Oh, there's some more big boys over there too. Way off. The north is about right in there. It's beautiful up here. Cold today. Did get up into the 50s, low 50s. That's the woman hut where I'm staying. This is the top of a ski mountain where all the chairlifts come up to. Everybody goes down from. I imagine it's going to be cold up here. I'll put in on the screen what the elevation is. I don't have it with me right here. It might be on that sign. It's up here, and it's cold tonight. I think it's probably getting high 30s. Plenty of places to 10 if you wanted to, if you want to freeze. I got a 50-degree bag. I need to be inside. I was counting on being in this woman hut, or either walking down the mountain one. All right. Hope everybody's had a good Thursday. Oh, I got a surprise tomorrow coming. I'll tell you about it tomorrow. Just found out yesterday. Got something set up that's pretty special. Talk to you later. Bye.